First on Fox tonight, the measles. The outbreak in Clark County keeps growing, now at 23 confirmed cases and 2 suspected cases.
And tonight, Clark County health officials say there is no end in sight. They say this outbreak could grow for weeks, even months to come. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel is live in studio tonight with the latest details. Audrey?
Tonight, the Clark County Public Health Director told me this outbreak is worrisome. Measles can be deadly or result in long-term health problems. It's not only concerning to him, but also those who live in Clark County. I spoke to a mom who had a close call with her son.
Jackson Hale is a rambunctious little 4-year-old, constantly running around and playing. But last week, his mom, Jamie Carl, knew something was up. Her little boy was in bed with a fever and a rash.
I was scared.
Given the latest measles outbreak in Clark County, she feared the worst.
So seeing those symptoms was kind of like a disbelief thing where I didn't want to associate it with measles, but it got to the point where this is all of those symptoms and I need to do something further or at least report it to somebody who can tell me what to do.
Her son had been to Vancouver Home Connection the week prior, which is on the exposure list. Good thing is Jackson had received both doses of the measles vaccine, which is 97% effective. And after talking to Clark County Public Health, Carl realized her son was fine. Turns out Jackson just happened to have eczema and a fever at the same time. But at latest count, 23 others aren't so lucky.
I don't see this ending anytime really soon.
Clark County Public Health Director Dr. Alan Melnick says the county's low vaccination rates are like kindling to a fire for this incredibly contagious disease. The county stands at a vaccination rate of 78%. Ideally, he says, that would be above 90%.
The thing that keeps me up at night is the possibility that we could lose a child to this disease or have serious complication from it.
And because the number of cases and exposure sites keeps growing, he says this outbreak could last months.
This is the first time Clark County has seen the measles since 2011. I asked Dr. Melnick why this disease seemed to suddenly pop up. He said someone probably brought measles in from another country, and then it just spreads like wildfire to anyone who is unvaccinated. The likelihood of getting measles after you've been vaccinated is extremely low. For a full list of exposure sites, head to our website, kptv.com. Live in the studio, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.